So this dress has all the cutouts and it fits pretty good. This is a size 4. I usually wear a size small, but this is small and this is not extra small. Extra small is size 2, but this is size 4 and I really like it. Like this is double layered, so it's not see-through at all. And then I have on some sticky boobs here, but I'll probably just use band-aids. And I think it's so cute. It fits so well. And then the strap here, the back is the same design. And it covers my butt pretty well. Like I would say it's long. I'm 5'7", and it's definitely a good thigh length. And it's very white and it feels so comfortable. It's a really great material and I'm very surprised at how much I love this. It fits so well. I love it. It's a little risque and sexy, but like your bride is your bachelorette party. So of course you want to be feeling your best. And I feel like this dress is like so cute. I love it. I purchased this myself on the POLLY website. I'll have it linked below. And again, size 4. I am 5'7", about like 120 pounds, and I love this dress. Alright, so this is the second dress. I had to put the straps all the way down to the back. And this one's actually a little bit big. My chest is artificial, and I would say this is like too big. And this is considered a small. This is a size 4 because a size 2 is extra small. And I mean, I could have sized down, but I was scared with like hips and butt. But I do have extra material here at the stomach. It's a little loose here, and then it's loose here. I mean, it's nothing crazy, but yeah, my chest is artificial, but I'm surprised how big this is in this area, you know? So I could have sized down in a size 2. I love it. It's an ivory, it's not white. This is a size 4. And this is the back. It's long enough, perfect thigh length. It feels very nice. It's again double layered here, so it's not like see-through. But yeah, I think it's cute. I mean, it's definitely gonna work, but like this is making me look a little like extra here that I don't have. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. But I like it. Size 4. Again, I'm 5'7", 120 pounds. I don't know my measurements. I would say in the chest, I'm either like a 32D. Sometimes I'm double D, sometimes I'm D, sometimes I'm C. It really just depends. But and again, this is ivory. So the other one was white, this is ivory. But yeah, I'm really impressed with the good quality of these dresses. Again, this is not sponsored. This is just me, a bride looking for some dresses for my bachelorette party. And I figured might as well share them so people can also, you know, find cute little white dresses to wear on their bachelorette party. So. Alright guys, this is dress number 3. It ties here. These straps are adjustable. I probably have one of my maid of honor tie these for me because I need it a little tighter. And then these are already made. So these cannot be tightened. This is a size 4, and it's a little bit bigger on the chest area than the other dress. Or I mean smaller, but smaller in the chest area. So it has a zip on the side, and it's also ivory, it's off-white, and it's double layered as well, so it has a lot of coverage, nice belly room, and also like booty room, you know, like which I really appreciate with these dresses because they both have belly and booty room. I'm 5'7", it's good thigh length, and it feels comfortable, like it's nice. I like how the straps are adjustable, but it's really hard for me to tie them right now because I'm tying them not tight enough, so I'm gonna have to like my maid of honor tie them tighter. And It's kind of tight in some spots, not in others. This is a size 4. I would say this is the smallest fitting dress on me compared to the other ones. But I like it a lot. Like all 3 of these dresses have really been like good dresses. I'm not returning them, I'm keeping them, I love them. And I'm really excited for my bachelorette party in Scottsdale. And this is just a closer look here. It's just so cute with the details. It's very like, I don't know, I think it's so cute. It's like sexy, but not too much. We have the cutouts. And like I said, lots of belly room. Like this is like baggy right here. So it's very like comfortable. Like you're gonna be able to eat and drink and like bend over in these dresses. And your butt's not gonna be popping out because they're good thigh length. And yeah, so this is dress number 3. This is the last one. And so far, POLLY, like I said, this video is not sponsored, but these POLLY dresses are phenomenal and I cannot wait to order more from them. I'm probably gonna order all my wedding guest dresses from them, and like I'm looking for a sparkly white dress because we're having a jewel night. So I want sparkly dresses for everybody. So I had to find a white sparkly dress. But these 3 killed it. I'm so excited. I love them. I feel confident in these dresses and I'm ready for my bachelorette. So that completes this video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and then I'm gonna have every dress linked below in the description box. And I'll see you in my next video.